Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about conditionals, the zero type. Let's get started. Now, conditionals are sentences with two clauses, a main clause and an if clause. Now, conditionals state that the action in the main clause can only take place if a certain condition in the if clause is fulfilled. Have a look at the example over here. If we don't hurry, we'll be late. Now this is a conditional sentence and it's used to state that the main action in the main clause, being late, will take place if we do not hurry. Now there are 5 main types of conditionals in English, and amongst them are zero conditionals. Now, zero conditionals are used to describe things that are always or generally true. Thus, we refer to the real and possible situations, general truths, or scientific facts. Have a look at the example below. If 2 people fall in love, they become a couple. Now, in general, people become a couple if they fall in love with each other. Now make sure to use the present simple tense in both parts of the zero conditionals. Note that the order of the main and if clause is not fixed, although when the if clause precedes the main one, make sure to use a comma. Have a look at the table below. The if clause includes if plus present simple, and the main clause, present simple. Have a look at the examples below. If the temperature is above 0 degrees outside, the snow melts. General truth. If my friend invites me over, I always accept her invitation. General truth. Note that we can use when instead of if without any changes in the meaning, as in the example below. When winter comes, the birds fly to the south. Now, zero conditionals are often used to give instructions. In this case, we use the imperative in the main clause, as in the examples below. Call me if you need any help. If you are not satisfied with your major, change it. Here is a short story using the zero conditional. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. If Josh calls me, tell him I'm busy. But what if he calls again? Tell him I'm still busy. Why are you ignoring him? Well, if someone ignores me for a week, I do the same. I know that it's petty, but I'm really annoyed.